Rates of reaction. Effective temperature on reaction rate. Placing an antacid into an acid at different temperatures to measure the time it takes for it to react until completion, by Garvin. The aim of this experiment is to see how temperature of an antacid affects the rate of the reaction of an antacid. The hypothesis of this experiment is if the temperature of the acid is hotter, then the acid will react faster. The apparatus for this experiment include a beaker capable of withholding amounts of liquid exceeding 100 milliliters, one bottle of vinegar, a thermometer, a Bunsen burner, multiple antacid tablets, matches, and a stopwatch. The variables for this experiment include the independent variable, the temperature of the vinegar; the dependent variable, the time the antacid takes to complete the reaction; and the control variables, the type of acid, the amount of acid, the same equipment for specific temperatures, as well as a whole tablet for the antacid. Method. The method of this experiment follows this procedure. Pour 100 milliliters of acid, in this case vinegar, into a beaker at whatever temperature is being tested. Use a thermometer to measure the exact temperature of the vinegar. Use the Bunsen burner to create varying temperature of the vinegar. Combine the antacid with the vinegar and time until the reaction is complete. Once finished, record observations and results. Repeat steps 1 to 5 for each differing vinegar temperature. To ensure validity, reliability, and accuracy, this experiment was conducted multiple times, with the independent variable remaining constant throughout the experiment. To elaborate, for the cold acid temperature, we conducted the experiment twice to retrieve 2 exact times and then combined an average. This process then repeated for room temperature acid as well as boiling acid. To conclude, after thoroughly examining the evidence of the experiments, it is fair to conclude that the higher the temperature of an antacid, the faster an antacid will react.